Learn how to use DebtLink's filtering tools to find the right collection agencies and attorneys based on asset class, account age, volume, and state licensing. DebtLink's powerful filters help you efficiently locate specific service providers within the receivables management industry, including collection agencies, collection attorneys, debt buyers and sellers, along with many other types of service providers within the space. Taking advantage of our filters means you can quickly find partners with experience in your particular asset class and who meet your unique needs, without sifting through long alphabetized lists. First, go ahead and select the type of provider you're looking for. For example, you might choose a collection agency. Next, you'll want to choose the specific asset class that applies to your accounts, such as auto loans. Now, you can refine your search even further by selecting the age of the accounts. For instance, you might choose out-of-stat paper. Then, specify the desired volume environment to match your operational scale. Once you've made your selections, click Apply to narrow down the list of available agencies to only those that precisely match your specific criteria. You can use just one filter or a combination to assist with your search to produce the optimum results. If your needs are specific to legal collections, go ahead and select the Collection Attorney option. Since attorneys are often state-specific, you'll then want to filter by the particular state where you require assistance, such as Texas. After selecting the state, click Apply to view a list of attorneys who are licensed to collect in your chosen jurisdiction. To find an agency that can handle a specific volume of accounts, simply adjust the volume filter. This allows you to select your desired range and effectively exclude providers that don't meet your capacity needs. You can also utilize the filters to search for agencies that specialize in niche industries, such as waste disposal, ensuring a perfect match for your unique requirements. Once you have your filtered list, go ahead and click on a specific firm to view their detailed profile. From their profile, you can then select the option to get connected with that provider. In summary, DebtLink's filters are designed to help you find the best fit providers based on criteria like asset class or business type, account age or stage of collection, volume, or specific state licensing. Agencies, attorneys, or other types of service providers who have experience with your type of business statistically achieve better results, creating a win-win relationship. Thanks for checking out DebtLink, where shoppers find premium providers.